Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will look into another product I found on Product Hunt. It's called Renderfit. It's a tool being created for the video editing, especially for the shorts or TikTok. It skyrockets your engagement with AI-powered editing. Okay, automate video editing and eye-catching captions for your shorts in just a few clicks. Let our AI-powered platform to do the rest. Okay, so here is the quick explanation of what it's all about. This short video, you can see what can be done. We also will go into this software itself, and I will show you what can be achieved here. Okay, so let's finish this one here. It's only been launched, I don't know, what was that? It's about 5-6 hours ago, as far as I can see on the product hunt. So it's a quite new product as far as I understand from the makers. There's a loads of engagement here. People are asking questions, the guys are answering those questions. So yeah, they're pretty active here on the product hunt. If you started with this software, same like I'm doing it now, you're gonna get yourself 90 seconds of video editing, which is free of charge. And that's really good because we can go and test it to see what's available. And if you are happy with the outcome, you can go and buy some bundles. We go through the pricing shortly. Okay, and there is also a welcome 20 discount coupon, which gives you a 20% off for just to celebrate the launch. Okay, so very good. You can also save some money if you decided to go ahead and purchase the product, but definitely you need to check it first if that's something which might you need. Okay, so here's the website. It's called renderfit.com. Okay, as previously mentioned, it's just to do with the editing of videos, especially for creating for your shorts. There, you can go and post your edited videos on TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, YouTube, and other platforms where there's a short content is available. Because there are a few frequently asked questions, like for example, what type of videos can be uploaded. For the time being, Renderfit supports MP4s with a maximum resolution of 1080 times 1920 or 1920 times 1080, and all lower resolutions. The maximum video duration is 3 minutes. We currently support 8 languages: English, French, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, German, Irish, and Dutch. We are actively working to expand all of these capabilities in the future. Okay, so yeah, let's go through the website itself. So what you need to do, you just need to click that login button. I'm gonna use the Google email address. Perfect, now we are in. So what we have to do is just to click that create new project button. Okay, and first we need to upload. You see, I was testing some of these features in it just before I started to do this video, so I already burned some tokens, but still few of those left, so I can show you what's possible. So I will upload this video I created in the past on my YouTube channel, and I was testing that with another software. Okay, so let's go and start do some editing of this. So what you can do the captions. So first and foremost, okay, you can do the captions here. Okay, so I do have the captions here being created previously on the CAD Labs, but doesn't matter because even if I would not have those, the render feed can actually generate the captions for you. Okay, so can listen to AI can listen to your video, and they can automatically rate those captions here. I'm going to show you in a minute how it's all going to work. We will make those subtitles, okay, on top of those existing ones here. And so in a minute, as it says, you can leave this page during the generation. So let's go and move on to the next stage. What we can do here, there are a few videos which you can add on top of those videos. So here you go, those are captions already being created. Okay, I'll show you now, guys. Welcome to the channel. Today we will be looking at the photo.com. So what it quite cool, isn't it? It's already been created. So it's generated just visit the video, generated the captions, and pasted straight into the video, so it can be shown here. The video will have they will have their own captions here. Okay, well, let's move on to the next stage. Okay, we can add on top of this video, we can add another video. There are few videos still available here which you can choose from. Okay. And also soon you will be able to add your own videos. So if you have a video, you have two videos which make you your own, you did it yourself, and you want to add those videos into the one short form content. Okay, you can add one on top of the another. Okay, but for the moment, this functionality is not available. I'm going to use one of the existing videos which the guys have presented to us. Okay, so here we go. I click this one here, and I show you how it's all work. Today we will be looking at basically you got your video here. That's original video. Underneath we got the video. You can do this. You can do it in this one here. So it automatically will generate that video. I will pass it into that into this video here underneath. Okay. But what you can do with those videos, you can definitely do some editing here. You can customize. So if you want to have your video being more visible, okay, to have a majority of the screen, you can do that by changing the size ratio. Okay, and let's leave it like a half. You can do also the asset proportion. So on that video which I pasted, you can do this. They call it asset proposition. Okay, and also the video position. Okay, on the video position, you can make that video, my original video, going up, going down. Okay, and also if I do this, like this video which I used it for, which was provided to us by Renderfit, and I make it smaller, the asset position, obviously this video position can have more space here on this whole short-term video content. Okay, well, let's make it like a half. Okay, so let's move into the next stage. Let's choose this one. I think this one is quite cool. Okay, now you can do the text. Okay, I want to say please like and subscribe. You can say anything obviously here. uh, what you can do with this text, you can put that text in between those videos here. Okay, it will look quite cool. Okay, so you have a video, the original video. On the top there is a text encouraging to liking and subscribing to the channel. And then there is a video provided by the makers of the render fit, which will be there here underneath. Okay, you can also change the color of that text, the background of the color of that text. Okay, and then if you for example, let me see, let's make some green color here, and now you can play it. Okay, now next stage would be, so we tested the text, we do the video. Now we can do that emojis here. Okay, so now with the emojis is basically there is edit captions here. Here's each and every word being generated by the AI, been like retrieved from the video and make here. Okay, and there is a list of all the words which I was saying on that original video. Now what we can do, we can under this each video, each word, we can add the different emoji into it. Okay, so let's say we do this one here. When I say welcome, another, I will just do the apple too, and then I don't know, maybe today we will do some stroke where there's a pitch here, and then when I do the looking, we do some, I don't know, a globe. Okay, and this should be implemented inside the video. Welcome to the channel. Today we will be looking at the photo.com. So what it is an online photo editor for everyone. Basically, okay, I cannot see those yet, but I'm pretty sure this has already been generating and make that visible. Let's leave it for the moment, and let's this AI tool to work in the background. Once it's ready, those emojis should pop up at the time when I was saying those words. Okay. Now, you can also do the captions, and those captions, obviously, you can do and customize those captions. Okay, so for the moment, by the captions, I choose this template here. You can also do this one instead, and that one here. and you can create your own captions templates in the future. Okay, you can also change the colors of this of the captions. You know, you can do the font size. Like you want to make it bigger, you can make it smaller, or you also can make the position change here. Okay. So the last thing I want to show you is you can do this. This is quite cool because you can also put the video, audio background inside that short-term video we are creating here. Okay, there are a few musics available already. Okay, which you can just click and add. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be working out together in a second. I hope you're gonna hear it. Okay. Um, Soon there will be an option where you can do your own audio edition. So that will also be very cool. Okay, well that's coming. Okay, so let's choose this and let's start from the beginning. Welcome to the channel. Today we will be looking at the photo.com. So what it is an online photo editor for everyone. Basically, I understand that this is some sort of like a Photoshop, something similar to Photoshop, which is enabled with AI functionality. Most of those products today. No, now I showed you, I think all the features which are still they're available at the moment by using the Renderfit. I'm pretty sure when I was testing that in the past, just before I started this video, I definitely saw those emojis jumping here and there. Okay, so I definitely, or either I missed that or they still haven't been implemented inside that video. But they are there, like, you know, for you to use. It's quite cool to see them, you know, jumping around your video, you know, while it's playing. You can only imagine what you can do with your own videos, you know, what's possible by using the render feed, okay? And you can optimize them the way you like it. So I think this is a promising software, okay? Obviously, sometimes you can do those videos yourself, but it is time consuming and you need to know some editing. Plus the platforms, you know, which they can provide you with those editing functionalities. Here, RenderFit is giving you, you know, AI solution which I think it's really cool and it can be used for different purposes when it comes to the short-term form content. Let's move into the pricing. Okay, I just want to show you how much does it cost. So definitely it is 90 seconds free of charge. It's very handy to have because you can go and test it and see if that's something you will like it. If you decided to go with choosing one of those plans, there is the plan starting from 9.99 to all the way to 79.99, and obviously there will be a length of the subtitle seconds available. You know, that's the major difference of those plans. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.